So on our last cruise, we were a few hours into that cruise when we realized we'd already missed a ton. We missed a secret restaurant, we missed a free kids event, and we didn't even know that you can order specific off the menu items from the particular restaurants. Why? Because we didn't know what to ask for, nor did we know what to look for. However, now that has changed everything for us because now we use ChatGPT before every single trip and it has been an absolute game changer. Not just from what we do, but how we solve problems, how do we find perks, how do we create those memorable moments we never would have known even existed. And in this video, I'm going to just show you how to do the exact same.
What's up YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So by the end of this video, you're gonna walk away with 6 insanely useful ChatGPT prompts that can rescue a ruined travel day, score you upgrades, and even uncover travel secrets that blogs don't even talk about. So if you want to stress less, travel smarter, and unlock moments most travelers miss, then this is for you. And hey, if one of these prompts helps you out on your next trip, hit that like button so more families like yours can find it too. So here's what most people do with ChatGPT. They ask, what should I do in Paris? What's the best food in Tokyo? Or what should I pack for a cruise? And you'll get answers, of course, but those answers are usually generic, and they're the same stuff you'll find in a quick Google search or a 3-year-old blog post. But ChatGPT isn't just a search engine. It's a creative collaborator, a fixer, a concierge, a translator, if you prompt it in that particular way. So when you guide the conversation correctly, ChatGPT becomes the best travel partner you've ever had. So let me show you how to do just that. So in order to prompt like a travel pro, we're gonna use a simple formula to get better responses every single time. It's called the RTCT method, and it stands for role, task, context, and tone. And so here's how it works. Role, who should ChatGPT act like? So act like a luxury hotel concierge, act like a cruise director or a seasoned travel agent. And then task, what's the specific job? What are you asking ChatGPT to do? Help me write a message requesting a free room upgrade. And then get into the context. What's going on in your real life scenario? It's our anniversary, we're staying 3 nights, we have a toddler. Be as descriptive and specific as possible. The more context you feed ChatGPT, the better the response is gonna be. And then finally, tone. What should the response feel like? Make it warm, confident, respectful, or maybe super persuasive if you're trying to get those room upgrades. So again, this structure transforms your results from generic to generally useful. And now let me show you exactly how this works in real world situations with our 6 real travel prompts that actually work. Well, let's get into it. So now let's walk through 6 real problems most travelers face and show you the exact ChatGPT prompt to solve each one. Prompt number 1, unlock cruise secrets most people miss. Here's the exact prompt to use. Act like a senior staff member on insert your cruise line. So let's do Carnival Cruise Line. What are the 5 off-menu items I can order? And what are 5 hidden free experiences most passengers miss, especially for families? And so we used this on our recent trip on the Carnival Radiance, and we were amazed with the results. Click the link above for that full review. Prompt number 2, the airline changed my flight. What do I do now? So here's a prompt you're gonna use. Act like a seasoned travel agent. My airline moved up 8 hours earlier, messing up my hotel checkout and my airport ride. Help me write a rebooking request and give me 3 backup plans if they say no. We've used this exact prompt probably more times than we want to admit, and it has saved us time, stress, and even some money. Prompt number 3, you missed your flight and you need help fast. So here's your prompt. Act like a travel advisor with 15 plus years of experience dealing with airlines. I missed my 10 a.m. flight to Cancun. I'm stuck with my spouse and 3 kids. Help me find options, what to say to the airlines, and how to recover the cost. So again, in a stressful moment, ChatGPT can save the day, giving you calm, actionable steps that sometimes you just have to wait on hold to be able to get. Prompt number 4, maybe you're interested in getting a free room upgrade. Why not? So here's a prompt you can use. Act like a hotel concierge. Insert the name of the hotel that you're staying at. I want to email them ahead of our stay and ask for a free room upgrade. It's our anniversary, we're traveling with a toddler, etc. I want you to make this email request polite, confident, and warm, but make sure it gives me the highest success rate possible to get that free room upgrade. Prompt number 5, your excursion just got canceled. What now? Your plans are totally ruined. here's a prompt for you. Act like a local savvy travel planner. Our tour in Mallory was just canceled. We have 1 day left. Give me 3 memorable last-minute activities I can book for a toddler and 2 teens. So this prompt can save your day, make this stressful moment a lot less stressful, and actually give you some really fun activities at the end. Be sure to check this one out. And finally, prompt number 6, let's bump this up in terms of complexity. So in prompt number 6, the scenario is you lost your baggage, but you lost it in a foreign country. So here is a prompt you're gonna wanna use. Act like a bilingual travel concierge. We lost our bag at the Florence train station. Tell me, what do I do first? And what should I say to the staff in Italian? Can you write out a prompt where I could show them my phone and they can understand what happened and what I would like done about it? Plus, can you tell me how should I file a report properly to make sure I can retrieve my luggage as soon as possible? So again, the difference with all these isn't just what you ask, it's how you ask it. So when you prompt ChatGPT with the role, task, context, and tone, you're gonna turn it into much more than a search tool. You're gonna turn it into that travel fixer or ultimately your travel partner. And so this can be the difference between a ruined day and an unforgettable one. And so if even one of these prompts helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, save this video and send it to your friends so they can travel stress-free alongside with you. And while you're at it, drop us a travel nightmare in the comments. I'd love to help you rewrite it into a prompt that could have saved the day. And so I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies, and remember, life's an adventure. Who you going on it with?